Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I am hiking at the Cedar Ridge Preserve. It's been a while since I have hiked here, but I thought I'd come out because it's a beautiful fall day, and I am going to take y'all along this hike with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Cedar Ridge is a really great place to hike, and I highly recommend it if you're ever in the DFW area. Thought I heard something. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my adventures, and I will see you on the next hike.